Article 21. Article 21 says right to life and personal liberty. Right to life to each and everybody who are the citizens of India and the foreigners alike. The same right would be applicable, and personal liberty also. Every person's liberty is also important to every person, so that Indian Constitution provides personal liberty and a right to life to each and everybody who are the citizens of India and foreigners alike. Every person, not only the Indians but also the foreigners, every person right. Every person has this kind of rights, Indians and foreigners alike. Same. Government right to life and personal liberty is guaranteed by the Constitution of India. Constitution guarantees to every person's life and personal liberty. The Constitution provides such kind of a guarantee to each and everybody in India. The state government should take responsibility. State government means government departments, local body, legislatures also. All should take responsibility to provide right to life to each and everybody and personal liberty. Any person is encroaching on another individual. One individual is encroaching the right to life on another individual. Such kind of individual encroachment should be banished, should be treated as an unlawful activity, unconstitutional activity. There is the remedy. Such kind of encroachments of the person right to life and personal liberty. There are some remedies under the Article 226 provides such kind of remedies to each and everybody, Indians or foreigners alike. It is the most important right in the Constitution of India. Among the fundamental rights, Supreme Court describes right to life and personal liberty is the heart of fundamental rights. Supreme Court provides explanation. Right to life is not only to the services. Right to life is not only to the services of each and everybody. Right to life is depend on every person's complete life and dignity and meaning. These kind of activities are very important to each and everybody. Every person should get complete life up to the natural death. The person's dignity is also very important. Meaning of the life is also very important to each and everybody. Such kind of all kinds of total life should be provided. The Constitution of India guarantees for the complete life, dignity and meaning of each and everybody in right to life and personal liberty. chief goal of right to life and personal liberty is said in Article 21. If there is any kind of disturbance for the right to life and personal liberty, judiciary intervene such kind of activities. Supreme Court or High Court, any other court intervene to make some rules and regulations to Western versus State of Andhra Pradesh, 1993. Right to life and personal liberty explained broadly. Right to privacy to each and everybody in India. Right to go abroad. Every person has a right to go to the abroad for it. Every person has a right to make a shelter in India, wherever in India. Peaceful livelihood. Against the right against the solitary confinement. Solitary confinement is also provided by the Constitution of India. Social justice. Every person's right. Social justice. Development of economy. Complete development of his life is also provided here. Right against custodial death. Right against the handcuffings. Hands is not provided by the police. And every person's protection of cultural rights. Cultural development. Every person should develop culturally. Such kind of right is also provided in the Constitution of India. Right against public hanging. There is no any kind of a public hanging in India. Wherever there is whatever the imprisonments, whatever the convictions there is. Right against pollution. Pollution free air and water. Every person's right. Right to medical aid and health. Doctor's assistance. Every person has a right to provide doctor's assistance. Right to medical aid and health. Every person has a right to get health from the government. Some medical equipment is also provided. Such kind of right is also there to each and everybody. Right to education. Right to get under trials, arrested or detained in the detention. Such kind of detentions, from the detentions, one has lawful rights to defend himself. Supreme Court of India, the Unnichristen versus State of Andhra Pradesh, to each and everybody, right to life and personal liberty. Right to life and suicide. No, just to get a suicide. This is a criminal law treated by the Constitution. Fines and imprisonments follows under the criminal law.